This video covers 7061, a specially formulated high-density flexible filler made especially for repairing all types of damage to flexible bumper covers, including deep gouges, rips, tears, and holes, or any other area where a flexible filler is preferred. Once fully cured, 7061 remains flexible and does not become brittle like standard fillers and many 2K repair products. Unlike other plastic repair products, there's no need to identify the type of plastic that you're repairing. This makes 7061 the preferred product when working with TPO, TOE, polypropylene, and EPDM. 1 can of 7061 is equal to 2 or 3 two-component cartridges. And when combined with the fact that you don't need a special gun, static mixing tips, or an adhesion promoter, you're saving even more. 7061 has a 2% activation ratio, and it mixes, spreads, and sands like a standard body filler. The unique resin system in 7061 bonds directly to flexible plastics, making adhesion promoter an optional item. But as I always say, if in doubt, promote. Just be careful not to overdo it. Before beginning any repair, it's important to remove organic contaminants by washing the front and back side of the panel with warm soap and water or our 2002 anti-static waterborne cleaner. Dry or blow off the surface and re-clean both sides with a solvent degreaser to remove any petroleum-based contaminants like oil or road tar. Prepare the front side of a tear or hole by using a DA or an angle grinder with 60 grit sandpaper to dish out the front of the repair area. Once shaped, hand sand any low spots and follow up with 80 grit on a DA to extend the repair area and complete the front side preparation. Gouges and road rash can be repaired without using reinforcement mesh. However, larger holes and tears should be reinforced with nylon or stainless steel mesh on the back side of the panel. After cleaning and sanding the back side of the panel with 60 grit sandpaper, cut the reinforcement mesh, making sure that there is a 1.5 to 2 inch overlap around the repair area. Prepare the reinforcement patch by mixing and applying 7061 to the mesh section. Now position the reinforcement patch over the back side of the sanded panel. For larger holes, apply tape to the front side of the panel to prevent mushrooming through the hole. Once the patch is applied, smooth out the 7061, and the completed patch should look similar to this. For repairs where reinforcement mesh is not needed, clean the surface and sand with 60 to 80 grit sandpaper to remove damaged paint and expose the plastic. Next, mix and apply the 7061 just like you would standard body filler. Allow the 7061 to dry for approximately 20 minutes before sanding. Begin sanding and shaping with 80 grit on a DA or a hand block. Unlike many 2K urethane repair products, 7061 is very easy to sand, and you'll find that you can shape and feather it into the original plastic on the first cut. After the initial sanding, apply a skim coat if needed to fill any low spots. Allow the skim coat to dry, then block sand with 180 to 220 grit and prime with high 5 or rapid primer. For additional information on 7061 or any other U-POL product, please visit our website at www.u-pol.com.